Hello everyone, welcome back to Sparia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn off floating keyboard on Poco C71. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you, as we know together that a floating keyboard is a feature that allows the on-screen keyboard to be resized, move, and positioned everywhere and anywhere on the screen rather than being fixed at the bottom. And so yeah, if you guys no need to use a floating keyboard again, don't need to be worried because you can turn it off easily. And so yeah, to turn off the floating keyboard is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first is now you can show the keyboard, and then now you can click the line above the keyboard, and then you can move to the bottom like this, and it will be back to normal. And the second one is now you can click on the left top like this, and then click floating, and the keyboard will turn to normal keyboard. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial. It's very easy, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.